I told you that your liver, the unsung hero of your body, could be struggling and you might not even know it? It's constantly working behind the scenes, filtering toxins, producing essential proteins, and aiding in digestion. It's a powerhouse, but it can also be vulnerable. Stick around because we're going to uncover 10 weird signs your body might be giving you right now, hinting at potential liver damage. Ignoring these signs could have serious consequences, so let's get informed and empowered. Have you noticed unusual changes in your skin, like a yellowish tint or persistent itching? Are your energy levels constantly low, leaving you feeling drained and weak? Do you find yourself bruising easily or experiencing unexplained weight loss? These seemingly unrelated symptoms could all be connected to a struggling liver. Your liver plays a vital role in so many bodily functions, so when it's not working properly, the effects can manifest in surprising ways. We'll explore these connections in detail. Now, I'm not trying to scare you, but I'm trying to equip you with the knowledge you need to take control of your health. Early detection is key when it comes to liver disease, and recognizing these often overlooked signs can make all the difference. We'll break down each sign, explaining what it means and why it's linked to liver function. This isn't about self-diagnosing, but about empowering you to have informed conversations with your doctor. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the information you need to identify potential liver issues and seek the appropriate medical attention. We'll cover everything from the subtle signs to the more obvious ones, so you can have a comprehensive understanding of what to watch out for. So, let's dive in and explore these 10 weird signs of liver damage you shouldn't ignore. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed your eyes have a yellowish tint? Or perhaps your skin has taken on a golden hue? That's not just tiredness or a change in lighting, it could be jaundice, a significant sign that your liver isn't functioning as it should. Jaundice occurs when bilirubin, a yellow pigment produced during the breakdown of red blood cells, builds up in your blood. A healthy liver typically processes and removes bilirubin, but a damaged liver struggles with this task. Now, bilirubin isn't inherently bad. In fact, it's a normal byproduct of the body's processes. However, when it accumulates in excess, it can stain the skin and eyes, giving them that characteristic yellow appearance. This discoloration is often one of the first noticeable signs of liver dysfunction and shouldn't be ignored. So, why does the liver struggle to process bilirubin when it's damaged? Well, think of your liver as a complex filtration system. It's responsible for removing toxins and waste products from your blood, including bilirubin. When the liver is damaged, whether due to infection, inflammation, or other factors, its ability to perform this essential function is compromised. As the liver's filtering capacity diminishes, bilirubin begins to accumulate in the bloodstream. This excess bilirubin then spills over into the surrounding tissues, staining them yellow. This is why jaundice is often a visible sign of liver dysfunction. Is your breath giving off a strange, musty, slightly sweet smell, even after brushing and flossing? This isn't your toothpaste's fault. It could be a sign of liver damage. Specifically, it might be a condition called fetor hepaticus, a distinctive breath odor associated with severe liver disease. While not everyone with liver problems experiences this, it's a symptom worth knowing about. Fetor hepaticus has a peculiar aroma, often described as musty, sweet, or even slightly fecal. It's caused by the buildup of certain sulfurous compounds in the body, particularly dimethyl sulfide, which the liver normally filters out. When the liver fails to remove these compounds effectively, they can be exhaled through the lungs, resulting in the characteristic bad breath. This isn't your typical morning breath or the lingering scent of garlic after a delicious meal. Fetor hepaticus is persistent and doesn't go away with brushing, flossing, or mouthwash. It's a deeper issue originating from within the body, signaling a potential problem with liver function. So why does liver damage lead to this particular type of bad breath? The answer lies in the liver's role in metabolizing sulfur-containing compounds. These compounds are naturally produced in the body as a result of various metabolic processes. A healthy liver efficiently processes and eliminates these compounds, preventing them from accumulating. However, when the liver is severely damaged, its ability to perform this function is compromised. As a result, sulfurous compounds, particularly dimethyl sulfide, start to build up in the bloodstream. These compounds are volatile, meaning they can easily evaporate and be carried in the breath. This buildup of dimethyl sulfide in the breath is what gives fetor hepaticus its distinctive odor. Itching, we all experience it. A mosquito bite, a scratchy sweater, dry skin. But what if the itch persists with no obvious cause? This could be a sign of something more serious, a potential cry for help from your liver. Your liver, the unsung hero, working tirelessly to filter toxins. When it's struggling, it can manifest in surprising ways, like itchy skin. This isn't just a minor annoyance, it's a potential warning sign. Now let's talk about the itch itself. Is it localized or all over your body? Is it worse at night? These details matter. A localized itch is likely due to something other than liver issues. But a generalized, persistent itch, especially if it intensifies at night, could be a red flag. Pay attention to the patterns, the timing, the intensity. Your body is speaking to you, and it's important to listen carefully. Think of it like a detective investigating a case. Every clue, every detail matters. The location of the itch, the time of day it's worse, any accompanying symptoms. These are all pieces of the puzzle. By gathering as much information as possible, you can help your doctor make a more accurate diagnosis and develop a treatment plan that's tailored to your specific needs. Another crucial point, don't self-diagnose. Regular checkups are important, but what about daily checkups at home? Pay attention to the color of your urine and stools. Your liver processes bilirubin, affecting stool and urine color. Dark urine can indicate liver issues. Pale stool is another warning sign. These changes are like warning lights on your car's dashboard. Let's talk specifics. What exactly are we looking for? When we talk about dark urine, we're talking about a color that resembles cola or dark tea. Not just a slightly darker yellow, but a deep brownish hue. And when we talk about pale stools, we're talking about a color that resembles clay or putty. Not just a slightly lighter brown, but a distinct lack of color. These changes in color can be gradual, so it's important to pay attention to any shifts over time. If you notice your urine getting progressively darker or your stools getting progressively lighter, it's definitely worth mentioning to your doctor. They can perform simple tests to assess your liver function and determine the underlying cause of these changes. Now, I want to emphasize that these changes in color can be caused by other factors besides liver damage. Certain medications, foods, and even dehydration can affect the color of your urine and stools. Have you ever noticed tiny, red, spider-like veins on your skin? These are called spider angiomas, and while they might seem like a minor cosmetic concern, they can actually be a sign of underlying liver issues. Spider angiomas are small, dilated blood vessels that cluster just beneath the surface of the skin. They typically have a central red dot with radiating legs, hence the name spider angioma. While they can appear anywhere on the body, they're most commonly found on the face, neck, chest, and hands. Now, it's important to understand that spider angiomas aren't always a sign of liver problems. They can also occur during pregnancy due to hormonal changes or as a result of sun exposure or aging. However, if you notice a sudden increase in the number of spider angiomas, or if they're accompanied by other symptoms like jaundice or itchy skin, it's a good idea to get your liver checked. So how can you tell if those little red spots are just harmless spider veins or something more serious? Well, one key factor is the number of angiomas. A few scattered spider angiomas are usually nothing to worry about, but if you notice a sudden increase in their number, or if they appear in clusters, it's a good idea to see a doctor. Another important factor is the size of the angiomas. Most spider angiomas are quite small, usually less than a few millimeters in diameter. However, if you notice any that are larger than this, or if they seem to be growing rapidly, it's definitely worth getting checked out. As I mentioned earlier, spider angiomas can also occur due to factors unrelated to liver disease. Pregnancy, hormonal changes, sun exposure, and aging can all contribute to their development. Have you noticed your belly swelling even though you haven't gained weight? This could be a sign of ascites, where fluid builds up in your abdomen. Often this happens when the liver is struggling. It can lead to a noticeable increase in abdominal size and discomfort. Early detection is key to managing liver disease. If you're experiencing this, seek medical attention. Your liver plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance in your body. It produces proteins that regulate fluid distribution. When damaged, it can't produce these proteins, leading to fluid buildup. This causes ascites. A healthy liver is essential for fluid balance. Think of your liver as a filtration system. It removes toxins and maintains fluid balance. Malfunctions can affect other bodily functions. Ascites is a sign of liver damage. It's a clear indication that something is amiss. Don't underestimate the importance of a healthy liver. Treatments are available for ascites and liver conditions. These treatments aim to reduce fluid buildup and improve liver function. Are you losing weight without even trying? While it might seem like a positive change, Unexplained weight loss can be a red flag for liver problems. Don't celebrate just yet. Your liver plays a vital role in metabolism and nutrient absorption. When it's damaged, it can disrupt these processes, leading to unintended weight loss. This isn't healthy weight loss. It's a sign that your liver is struggling to perform its essential functions. Unexplained weight loss, especially when accompanied by other symptoms like fatigue, jaundice, or abdominal swelling, should never be ignored. It's your body's way of signaling that something's wrong. Don't dismiss it as a fluke or attribute it to stress. It's crucial to seek medical attention to determine the underlying cause. Early diagnosis is key to managing liver conditions and preventing further complications. Liver damage can affect your appetite and your body's ability to process nutrients. Your liver is the body's central processing unit for metabolism. It processes nutrients, converting them into usable forms for your body's cells. When the liver is damaged, this process is disrupted, affecting your metabolism. A healthy liver is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. It also stores vitamins, regulates blood sugar, and breaks down fats. Compromised liver function can lead to serious health issues. Unexplained weight loss is a sign your liver needs attention. Consult your doctor if you experience unexplained weight loss. Struggling to think clearly? Experiencing increased forgetfulness? These cognitive changes can be a sign of hepatic encephalopathy, a condition where liver dysfunction affects brain function. Don't dismiss these symptoms as simply aging or stress. They could be a sign that your liver needs attention. A healthy liver is crucial for maintaining clear thinking and sharp cognitive function. Hepatic encephalopathy occurs when toxins that are normally filtered by the liver accumulate in the bloodstream and reach the brain. This can lead to a range of cognitive impairments, from mild confusion and forgetfulness to severe disorientation and coma. It's a serious complication of liver disease and requires prompt medical attention. Don't ignore the mental fog. It's your body trying to tell you something's wrong. The early signs of hepatic encephalopathy can be subtle, such as difficulty concentrating, mild confusion, or slight changes in personality. The liver and the brain are intricately connected. A healthy liver is essential for maintaining optimal brain function. When the liver is damaged, it can't effectively filter toxins from the blood. These toxins can then travel to the brain, interfering with its normal function and leading to hepatic encephalopathy. It's a complex process, but the message is clear. Liver health is crucial for brain health. The liver acts as the body's primary detoxification center, filtering out harmful substances from the blood before they reach other organs, including the brain. When this filtering process is impaired, the brain becomes vulnerable to the damaging effects of toxins. This can manifest as cognitive impairment, confusion, and other neurological symptoms. The good news is that hepatic encephalopathy is often reversible with proper treatment of the underlying liver condition. Your doctor can diagnose the cause of your symptoms and recommend the appropriate course of action. Early intervention is crucial to prevent further complications and improve your cognitive function. Have you noticed lately that you're bruising more easily than you used to? Maybe you bump into something minor, and suddenly you've got a noticeable bruise. This could be a sign that something's not quite right with your liver. Our livers produce clotting factors to stop bleeding. When the liver isn't functioning well, these factors may be insufficient. This can lead to easier bruising and prolonged bleeding. Pay attention to how often you're bruising. If it seems excessive, investigate further. Don't dismiss it as just being clumsy. It could be your liver trying to tell you something. Let's shift our focus now to another potential sign of liver damage: prolonged bleeding. Have you noticed that when you get a cut, it takes longer than usual to stop bleeding? Or maybe you've experienced more frequent nosebleeds lately. These could also be indicators of a problem with your liver. The liver plays a vital role in producing clotting factors. These proteins help your blood to clot and stop bleeding. When the liver is damaged, it may not produce enough, leading to prolonged bleeding. If you're noticing a significant difference, it's worth paying attention to. This could be your body's way of signaling that something's amiss with your liver. Feeling tired is common. We all have days where we feel drained, but what if that tiredness becomes persistent? It might be related to your liver. Your liver plays a crucial role in energy production. It processes nutrients into usable energy. When disrupted, it leads to fatigue and weakness. Along with fatigue, another common symptom of liver damage is weakness. This isn't just the kind of weakness you feel after a strenuous workout. It's a more pervasive sense of weakness that can affect your ability to perform everyday tasks. This weakness can stem from the liver's role in converting food into energy. When the liver is damaged, it may not be able to efficiently process nutrients, resulting in decreased energy production and muscle weakness. Think about your daily activities. Are you finding it more difficult to perform tasks that used to be easy, like climbing stairs or carrying groceries? Do you feel a general sense of weakness in your muscles? These could be signs that your liver is struggling. It's important to note that weakness, like fatigue, can be caused by various factors. However, when combined with other symptoms suggestive of liver damage, it's a red flag that warrants further investigation. We've covered 10 potential signs of liver damage you shouldn't ignore. From yellowing skin and eyes to persistent fatigue, these signs can be your liver's cry for help. Your liver is vital, responsible for hundreds of functions. If you've noticed any signs, don't wait. Your liver might be telling you something serious. Want to keep your liver healthy? Start with diet. A balanced diet is essential. Limit processed foods and sugary drinks. Focus on whole foods and lean proteins. Cut down on alcohol. Regular exercise boosts liver health. These signs could be a red flag from your liver. Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more health tips. Early detection and intervention are key. Seek medical advice if you're concerned. Take care of your liver. It's the only one you've got.